I just purchased a LG refrigerator that is 1 year old. Couple needed to sell it. I plugged it in and about 3 hours later I get RF code. They told me the code goes away after water is hooked up to fridge. Model LFXC24726. I'm just trying to figure out what needs to be fixed before installing in the house.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Hello. To start, ERRF stands for an error with your refrigerator fan not spinning properly. You'll need to pull everything out of the refrigerator and remove part 409H on the diagram in the link below. This is the large white plastic vent tower against the back wall of your refrigerator directly in the middle from right to left. Click here for diagram. Once you remove the panel, if there is ice or frost buildup around the fan, use a hairdryer and thaw it out. Other than that, if everything looks good, then you just need to order and replace the fan motor to resolve the issue. Below is a link to the part you'd need to order for your model. Click here for fan motor. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge if you still need assistance. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open and unrated. Is there anything else I can help you with?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.